Welcome, I am Dr. Nakul Sinha and we are going to talk about the World Heart Day 2021. It is celebrated in the last week of September every year, and this year the theme is Use Heart to Connect, Dil Se Dil Tak. In these difficult COVID times, we have felt that virtual connection with each other, either in small groups or in bigger platforms, has helped us tide over the crisis. We have been able to interact, to advise, to empathize, sympathize, and be with our friends, relatives, and other neighbors in these difficult times. Our purpose is to increase the awareness about heart disease, both related to COVID and even otherwise, with scientific but practical knowledge which can be imbibed by our brethren and the general population. So let's embark on this journey of World Heart Day week. Helping Heart Foundation has been bringing you a series of programs on the occasion of World Heart Day for the past many years. This year also, we propose to bring you programs with a scientific content, yet with a practical and simple advice which can help our population tide over the crisis and also become more aware about the problems of heart disease which are going on rampant in the general population, especially in the younger age group. We have been able to tide over 2 waves of the COVID pandemic which has engulfed the whole world. However, we have been told that the 3rd wave is a real possibility and there is a chance that it will affect our children and younger population more. We all pray and hope that this doesn't happen, but we need to be prepared. That is why, as one of our first endeavors on this World Heart Day, the Helping Hearts Foundation has kept a separate program and panel discussion with expert pediatricians about heart disease in general in children and neonates and the younger population, and also talking about the problems of COVID which are possibly going to be relevant in the coming times, especially in the younger population. It is often said that the way to a man's heart is through his stomach. However, many of the problems that afflict our health today are also due to the wrong choices of food that we make in our everyday life. It is extremely important that the food be nutritious, healthy, and not harm our bodies in any preventable way. During these COVID times, because most of the people were forced indoors, there have been many people who have become innovative chefs. They have experimented with delicacies and have come up with great recipes which are not only nutritious, healthy, have macro and micronutrients, but also are tasty to our taste buds. The Helping Hearts Foundation has kept a program exclusively dedicated to the foodies who have come up and made their mark recently. There has been a foodie competition which the Helping Hearts Foundation is pleased to bring you. Thank you.